Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear. So firstly we need to add this feature to the gesture, because by default you cannot volume control. So to do this we need to open XIAOMI Earbuds application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. And right here we have gestures, enter here, and now select you wanna use single press, double press or triple press. You cannot edit for the press and hold, right here we have no option. I'm going to use single press, but it's the same with double and triple press. For the left earbud I wanna volume down my music, and with the right one I wanna volume up my music. Now let's check it. So I need to... The touch area is located at the back side of your earbuds. Right here we have XIAOMI, and this one is touch area. So if I press one time at my right earbud, I should increase the volume, and as you can see at this widget, I just did it. To lower the volume you need to single press if you set it as me with a left earbud, and as you can see at this widget, I just lower it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!